Unit 8, Part B, Day 1 homework assignment. This is the assignment that corresponds with the Introduction to Trig lesson we talked about today. I'll probably just get you started on one of these entire rows, so basically probably 1 through 7, and you should be able to finish the rest. Or the first 2 rows. So I won't have to scroll up and down so much. But anyways, you're essentially just setting up the ratio, and that's all. So you should be able to complete the rest on your own. And again, we're only working on this side. So number 1 says find the cosine of m. So find the triangle that has m on it, and it's this triangle here. So m will be my reference angle. And for cosine, you gotta remember cosine, we need adjacent over hypotenuse. So that means the side that is next to m is this side here, 40. That's your adjacent. And then the side that is the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. So that means this is your hypotenuse. So my ratio for number 1 would simply just be 40 over 41. All right, looking at number 8. It wants us to find the cosine of angle B. So the triangle that has B on it is right here, and here is B. That's our reference. Again, we're finding cosine, which means adjacent over hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is 5, and the side next to B is 3. So that's your adjacent. So I would put 3 over 5. Number 15 wants us to find the tan of R. So the triangle that has R on it is right here, and here is R. For a tangent, I need opposite over adjacent. And where am I getting all these from besides your notes? Always remember SOHCAHTOA. And again, I would probably write that on top of every assignment if I were you. So that's probably where I should have started. My bad. So looking at R, the side across or opposite of R is 4. So that's your opposite. And the side adjacent or next to R is 7. So I would put 4 over 7. Alrighty. Now we're gonna, on number 22, we're gonna find the tan of n. N is right here. And from n's perspective, again, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So opposite of n is 40. It's across from n. So this is opposite. Adjacent to n is 9. So I would put 40 over 9. And you might say that adjacent was 40, but that was from n's corner. I'm sorry, m as in Mike. 40 was adjacent when we were looking from n as in Mike. But now we're looking from n, like Nancy's corner. So things have changed. And that is possible for things to change. All right, let's scroll down to see number 2. Number 2 wants us to find the sine of B. So here's B. Again, SOHCAHTOA. So for sine, I need opposite and hypotenuse. So opposite across from B is 4. Your hypotenuse across from the 90 degrees is 5. So for my sine of B, I'll just simply write 4 over 5. For H, or 9, I want the tangent of H. Here's H. Again, tangent, I need opposite. So across from H is 15. And adjacent next to H is 8. So opposite over adjacent, so that would be 15 over 8. Number 16, cosine of E. Here's E. For cosine, I need adjacent. So adjacent to E is 5. And I need hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 13. So adjacent over hypotenuse, 5 over 13. And the last one I'm going to work with you all, and the rest is for your own. And you'll do fine. Is number 23. I need the cosine of n. So here's n. Cosine, I need adjacent. So next to n is 9. That's adjacent. And I also need hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is 41. So cosine of n is 9 over 41. Well, ladies and gents, this concludes your tutorial. Please finish the rest of this page.